you're all doing well. So today, Arthur's decided he's going to have a lie down. I've got him helping me stitch today. But today we're going to be starting on the second colour of the stag. And we're doing this on a single thread, and I'm just going to check the direction. Yep, so we're going to go this way. So like yesterday, we're starting kind of in the middle of the section we're working on. And first we're going to go up towards the head and then down towards the legs of the stag, not the horse, get the right animal. So I'm just going to come up and then down over the blue line like that. I'm going to work my way across. And down. And we're using the lines on the linen just to help get the right direction. Short one can fit in there. Down. Kind of following where the direction meets up, and that's how I'm doing that middle bit. I think it looks right. I'm just gonna change my thread because we're nearly out. I'm going to finish doing this part of the neck and I will show you the next bit we're going to do. So I've finished doing the neck in the second colour, and following from kind of the pictures in the instructions, I've connected it to here just because the second part we're going to start now is going to bring together all of this bit. So that's what we're going to do now. So I thought I'd show you me starting that. So we're still in the same colour, and I would say that this is the middle. I sometimes find it easier if I start by putting the stitches in on the guides on the linen, and then I can work from there. I don't know why I find that the easiest thing to do, but it gives me almost a reference point. Now I don't think I've gone far enough down again. This is where I realised the first time that I hadn't done my stitches long enough. So I think I might end up doing another layer, but that's okay. So we're going to be coming up. I'm just thinking the best way to do this. Whether I come... Is that too big? Let's have a go. Would you say that's too big? If I do so much, go right up into it. This is how I've kind of connected it together. So I've made sure that there's no gaps, and I've stuck with doing the long and short on kind of each layer that I've done, and I think it's come out okay. I don't think you can tell too much. I think to the naked eye, we only know because I've admitted the mistake. That's why we know that it's gone wrong. So to finish off this bit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the stitches which are on this stitch direction on the linen to fill this bit in, and then I'm going to fill this bit in here following the direction of the stitches which are already in there. So I'm just going to make up for the fact that I've not done these first stitches big enough, and what I might actually do tonight before I go on to doing this section is actually get the first colour, the darker brown again, and maybe just put some longer stitches in just so it's not all big stitches, just to kind of rectify that mistake. But this is the thing, I'm still learning, we're all still learning. It's okay to make mistakes, and you find ways to get around them as well, and it's what makes each of our pieces individual as well. So I'm going to work on this now this afternoon and try and rectify those mistakes a bit, and I'll show you tomorrow how I get on. If I do anything interesting whilst I'm making these changes, I'll film them and show you in tomorrow's video. So I will see you tomorrow. No, I won't see you tomorrow. It'll be Thursday because it's Phillip's Q&A tomorrow. So I've got 2 days to rectify these mistakes, and I will show you along the way how I do that. So bye.